Hey everybody, Scotty with Big Rig Chrome Shop. I'm here to do another product spotlight. Today we're going to highlight Forever Sharp steering wheels. I'm going to talk about some of the different styles, different sizes they have, and then how to build your order. And we'll show you a little bit of what that looks like on our website as well. So let me just go through this with you. I'm going to start over here. Forever Sharp's really cool because they actually started out selling steering wheels for the automotive car industry, not for semi-trucks, and they kind of got into the semi-truck industry because they have some really cool options. And so they have some of the smaller wheel options. This is actually a 14-inch wheel. What's really unique about this wheel is that it's actually called a half wrap wheel. So what that means is that there's this wrap that can come off the steering wheel, and there's a whole bunch of different options, and I'll talk a little bit about some of those. But this is how the standard wheel comes. And then you also have to buy the half wrap. The wheel is a pretty affordable wheel. Then you get that, choose which color half wrap you want. So this is kind of a metallic silver color. We also have a black half wrap over here. They have an assortment of different colors, different wood grain type looks. They have a ton of different options. Check them out at BigRigChromeShop.com. So if you're gonna buy a half wrap wheel, you get the half wrap, you get the wheel, and then you're also gonna get the horn. You're gonna pick which horn you want. This is the kind of their classic Forever Sharp logo horn. And then you're also gonna pick your hub adapter. With the 14-inch wheel, they're unique because they're actually built for passenger cars, not for semi-trucks. So you have to buy two adapters to make them work for your truck. That's kind of where some of the confusion comes into play. So you have your standard hub adapter. This, I believe this one's for Freightliner trucks. And then you also have this adapter for the adapter, I guess you could call it. This part right here mounts to the steering wheel, and then this mounts to the adapter for your hub adapter to make it mount to your truck. So it's just kind of that extra add-on. On our website, it's really easy to build through. So you're going to pick your wheel, then your wrap, then you'll pick which truck model you need a hub adapter for, and then you'll have this universal hub adapter that will mount to any of the truck hub adapters. And on our website, there's a link as well to kind of a detailed breakdown of the standard hub adapters and what truck models they fit. We have 5 different adapters. They fit most makes and models. The assortments of them do. So I'm going to go through a couple of the other ones we have here. Here we have a 16-inch wheel. This is one of our more popular wheels. It's a polyurethane, really heavy-duty wheel. Like I said, 16-inch. So if you like it a little bit smaller, we have 18 inches as well for a little bit bigger style wheel. This one will just need a standard hub adapter. You won't need that add-on hub adapter. We also have this wheel with the rivets. So it's a really nice wood grain look with the rivets in it. Then we have the banjo style wheel. Now, what's unique about the banjo wheel is it's the one wheel that comes with the horn. It has to have this horn, so it actually comes with the wheel. All the rest of them, you select which horn you want for the steering wheel. And then last but not least, we have an 18-inch half wrap wheel. So again, really cool option. These are really easy to mount. So you'll see that they have all these different holes. They got the hand grips on the back, and all you do is there's screws that come with the half wraps, and they screw into here from the back side of the wheel. So you couldn't even tell that it's a half wrap unless you looked at it. And it gives you the versatility to basically pay the same price of a standard wheel. However, if for some reason your wrap would wear down, or you want to change the color of your wheel, you have a whole bunch of different options, and you can get a half wrap for a really reasonable price to change those out if you want to down the road. So like I said, they have a lot of unique wheels, a lot of different sizes. They have the 14s, the 16s, the 18s here. The standard automotive wheels, you have to get that extra adapter. Again, it's really easy on our website to walk through. If you're getting an 18 or a 16-inch semi-truck wheel, all you need is the standard adapter. You pick your horn, you pick your wheel, you pick your adapter for what truck you have, and you're all set. So if you have any questions, give us a call at 920-769-0611. You can go to BigRigChromeShop.com. Really easy build process to pick up what wheel you want. You can also come on down to the shop at 3735 South Washburn Street here in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. We're on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. We're everywhere. We'd love to hear from you. This is a tutorial of the Forever Sharp wheels, a bunch of different options. This is just scratching the surface of the options they have. So we'd love to hear from you. Check out our website. And this was another product spotlight for Big Rig Chrome Shop.